So here's my new propagator. It's my first time to have a propagator. I was thinking about the heat mat propagator, but I saw this one. I think this is a new version of heat mat propagation. It's a bit expensive. You know, if you always grow plants, you know, so this is a good investment for if you're a grower. So yeah, so let's unbox this propagator. What I'm going to do is sow the warm loving plants, which are this. So the chili, the squash, the cucumber. I have two different variety of cucumbers. One is for the patio and one is for outdoor. So chili again, this is a different cayenne, and this is a patio aubergine. This is a Cape gooseberry, which is this is my first time to grow a Cape gooseberry. So I'm so excited what it tastes like and how it grows. Or does it grow well here in my area? So let's see. This is a container tomato plant. It's good for small garden because you can just plant it in a container. Okay, let's put down the box and the cover. Let's put that aside. So here's my container filled with soilless medium. I'm going to prepare labels. Looking for my pencil. I want to have at least 10 seeds per row. If I planted them and 1 or 2 or 3 died, then at least I have spare plants. And then you just cover them. Says here, never submerge this unit in water. I'm just going to make this clean, no dirt. After this, we're going to cover this with a lid. So I'm going to plug this inside the house and we'll just wait probably 1 or 2 weeks. I'll give you an update how it goes. And that's it. Thanks for watching.